confused between Goethe and Telc? So let's remove your confusion today in this video. So in this video, we'll see the differences between Goethe and Telc. So depending on these differences, you can choose which exam you want to appear for. Okay, so let's start with the video. I'll share one screen with you, and in this we'll see what is Goethe and what is Telc. So basically, as all of you know, you are familiar with its two names. So these are different exams, you can say, and there are few differences. Okay, and depending on your requirement, you can choose the exam whichever you want, right? So what are the differences we are going to see here? Now, what is Goethe? Now, Goethe A1, you can say, or Goethe exam is conducted by the Goethe Institute, which is very famous German cultural organization. Goethe A1 is accepted for German visa, for study, for work all over the world. The exam has four parts: reading, listening, writing, speaking. You are familiar with reading and listening, all these modules, you can say, and their German names also, right? You can say Hören, then Schreiben, Sprechen. Okay, so you are obviously familiar with these modules because you are going to appear for this exam. Now, here, what is TELC? Okay, TELC. What is TELC? TELC stands for the European Language Certificates, right? TELC, TELC. It is also an official German exam and accepted in Germany and many countries. TELC A1 also has reading, listening, writing, speaking. Here we are talking about A1. So we are seeing the differences. So again, the same modules are there in TELC also. Four modules are same as Goethe. Now we'll see the main differences. Okay, exam style. Goethe is more exam style and structure. Okay, it has a some particular structure, and according to that, the exam is conducted. TELC is more practical and communication based. Now, speaking section. In Goethe, speaking tasks are very fixed and predictable, right? These themes will come. So, mainly these questions will come. Typical questions, you can say. In TELC, speaking feels more like a real conversation, okay? It is not theme-based or some structure-based. It will be a real conversation, natural conversation. Now, difficulty we'll see in these two exams. Both exams are similar in difficulty. There is no major difference in that. Some students find Goethe easier because of clear patterns. It is structure is very clear. Some find TELC easier because it is more natural. Okay, so it depends on student to student. Both Goethe and TELC A1 are accepted for German visas, universities, employers, but Goethe is more famous worldwide. Right? Now, part 4 will be which one should you choose? This is very, very important part. Choose Goethe A1 if you like structured exams. You want many practice materials because there is a lot of practice materials. Okay, on this Goethe exam. You want many practice materials and you need worldwide recognition. Then you can opt for Goethe A1. Now we'll see choose TELC. Choose TELC A1 if you like real life speaking, if you like more natural way of conversation, you want a practical exam, you are studying in Germany, okay, so you can choose TELC. Now there are few bonus tips. Learn 600 to 800 German words for both the exams. You have to learn this much vocabulary. Practice speaking daily. Learn simple sentences and practice mock tests. Okay, for both these exams, this is required. Unless and until you do this, you will not going to pass this exam. Any of these, Goethe or TELC. Now it is up to you which exam should you choose. So, depending on your requirements, your interest, you can go for Goethe or Telc, right? So this is all about today's video. Subscribe to my channel if you are appearing for Goethe or Telc. There are more videos to come. So, okay, friends, thank you and bye bye.